A good example of a data table employs the PMT function with different loan amounts and interest rate to calculate the affordable amount of home mortgage loan. Experimenting with different values to observe the corresponding variation in the result is a common task in data analysis. So let us start implementing that, how we can execute data table in 2019 version. So I am taking an example that I am taking a loan worth rupees 5 lakh rupees, and the tenure of repayment in months, I am writing it down in months, that I am repaying in 5 years, that is 60 months. Then the rate of interest is per annum 12%. Then we wanted to find out the PMT, that is what is the monthly installment we have to pay. Now let us use the formula equals to PMT, Control A. A dialog box is there in front of us. Rate is 12% per annum. We have selected it here 12%. As it is going to be monthly, we are going to divide it by 12 because the rate which I mentioned, it is yearly. And NPER is number of payment which is available in the cell B2. We are giving the reference here, and then PV is the present value, the loan amount which you have taken. I am entering here the negative sign and entered here 5 lakh, so that we should get the positive value. Clicked on OK. In this case, future value and type is not required, and I clicked on the option of OK. Now we are getting it here, the values. I went to the home tab and then I have changed it to a number format, and then I removed that option of symbol and I have removed the decimal. So we are able to see here that if I am going to take a loan of 5 lakh rupees and repaying in 60 months, that is 5 years, and the rate of interest is 12% per annum, then the interest or the EMI which we have to pay every month will be 11122. So now after getting it done, when we are going for taking a loan, my dear friends, we have to do lot of analysis, that if I get this loan of 5 lakh rupees at some 6% rate or 6.5% or at different rates here, 7% or 7.5%, and if I am repaying in a different model, that is on 2 years or 3 years or 5 years or 10 years or in 15 years, how much will be the EMI which I have to pay every month, and that particular analysis which you are willing to get it done is called data table. We are going to take the help of data table to get it done. So for this reference, I am just taking this PMT value here. I have selected here 11122, pressed enter, and then I am writing down 6%, the minimum 6.5%, and then I am selecting it here, and then I have dragged it down till the case of worst case, that 18%, and then I am writing it down, the tenure 24 months if I am repaying in 24 months, 36 months, 60 months, 120 months, 180, and then 200, 240 months, 300 and 360. What will be the EMI? So I have selected this cell here 11122, pressed Ctrl A, and then went to the option of data, what if analysis, data table. Row input is duration and column input is percentage, and then clicked on OK, and then we have received here the interest amount, and then I went to the option of home tab and then removed the decimal. Now if you cross check it, 60 months and at the rate of 12%, the amount is 11122. Now let me do some conditional formatting so that it should be easier for the user to understand that under which slab he is working. So I have selected the heading here, went to the option of conditional formatting, selected here the option highlight cell rules equals to this cell, and clicked on OK. I think we have done a mistake here. Conditional formatting highlight cell rule equals to this cell, and clicked on OK. highlight cell rule equals to done, and then we are moving forward with the values and selected here conditional formatting highlight cell rule equals to, selected here the option of equals to, and then selected this value 11122. Now the advantage is if a person change that no, I wanted to repay in 120 months, he is able to see that what is the thing. Now I am going to give here the data validation so that there should not be any disturbance in the table which we have prepared. So I have selected this cell and then went to the option of data and selected here data validation and selected here the option of list. Source I am going to use here the duration which we have entered and then clicked on OK. Now you are getting a drop down here the option of data validation, selected here list, and in the list we have selected that this is what going to be the list in case of interest. Done. Now you are able to see that if a person is able to see changes here 200 and the rate of interest if he is changing to 14% he is getting it, and if we are changing it here that he is getting this interest rate of interest at 7.5% or 7% or 6.5, this is what the rate 7%. I hope everyone understood. This is how it's going to help you out to do the analysis here. Let me put it somewhere here. This is our tenure. Let us merge and center it, tenure, and let us differentiate it with some color. And this is our rate of interest. We can mark it here as a rate of interest also. So now we are able to analyze here that if we are going for the option of loan in different options, how it can be working out. Let me select here that this is our interest rate. We have written it here the option of orientation vertical, then merge and center. I have written it here the rate of interest, and then let us give the alignment that it is under center or top. It depends upon you how you want it to reflect. Same way we have highlighted it, went to the option of view and removed the grid lines. Now your sensitivity analysis is ready. We can write down its name, sensitivity analysis, bold, and then we are so this is what sensitivity analysis with the help of so we have learned today that how to do the sensitivity analysis by using data table. Thank you.